forgot I wanted to change this. So I'm gonna do that real quick before I start dyeing my hair. Alright, here are all of the colors I'm using today. We're doing a whole rainbow. I'm even using pink. I wasn't even gonna do that at first, but yeah. Some of these are actually brand new. I haven't tried these colors yet, I don't think. Yeah, I mean, they're still wrapped up. And then you can see they changed their packaging. This is the older one, I guess, because it was even different before this one. And now they all look like this, like just tubes. Honestly, I kind of like the circle more, but oh well. So yeah, I got more yellow because I was running out. But these are all Iroiro neon colors, and then I'm kind of running out of the blue, so I was gonna mix a little bit of this random old one I have. And I don't have a purple. They were out of purple, so I'm gonna be mixing it myself, and hopefully it comes out good. But yeah, here is the spread. Do you like the rainbow, me, man? Okay. Alright, so hello, welcome back. I am doing another hair dyeing video today, and as you can see by the title, we are doing a rainbow once again. I actually did it, I don't know if it was 1 or 2 years ago. It was a while ago, because I did a whole going through individual colors the past year. And yeah, now we're back to mixing a whole bunch of colors and doing different combinations. So I wanted to do a different kind of rainbow this time. It's gonna be a neon one, of course. I had to do one that glows under blacklight because you know I love UV stuff. And yeah, I am trying new Iroiro colors today, so that's gonna be cool. I'm excited to see how that goes. Yeah, so it's gonna be a fade this time. Last time I did it like strips, I guess, of the hair. It's gonna be a little bit harder this time because I need to be like careful about where I put the colors. Also because I don't have too much of a canvas to work with here, so I'm gonna need to really make sure that I have it planned out well, I guess. And so right now my plan is to start from red at the roots and then fade down to pink, I guess. And so I already bleached my roots. You can see it's all fresh and ready to go. The front here, if you remember, if you watched my last video, I did black using the Adore brand, and it washed out pretty quickly, and then I did do a little quick bleach bath over it to really get it out more. You can see there's a little bit of like a greenish tint left, and for some reason like a pinkish tint like right here. So that's strange, but so the plan isn't to do it all the same, basically. So since I also have this black on the side here, I did do the roots because I still need to do them as they grow out. But as you can see, this black is still pretty heavy on there. It's faded just like a little bit, but so that's actually the difference between the Adore black and this was Lunar Tides. So if you were curious, Lunar Tides stays on way longer, so depends if you want that or if you want it to fade out faster. Adore might be better for that. But I decided I was just gonna leave this because it's gonna be way too much effort to try to even get it out, and like I don't mind it, I like it. So up here I'm gonna section it and do the fade that I just mentioned over here on like the crown of my head. And then where this black is, I haven't entirely decided yet. I might just do this strip purple and just leave it at that, or I might do like I don't know, reverse rainbow fade or something. I don't know, but I'm gonna do this part first, and then figure out what I'm doing with this. So that is the plan today. I'm gonna go get my hair dyeing shirt on, and I'll be back. Okay, I am back. The hair dyeing shirt is on. My gloves are here. I think I'm ready to start. I'm just gonna section my hair real quick and yeah, get to it. Alright, so I clipped this up. The rest of my hair is pulled back. And we are gonna start with this. And probably have to section it a little bit more. this is still a lot to start with, but yeah, let's make this rainbow happen. Wow, okay, so I just finished that main section. That definitely took some time. But yeah, I took these down, and look at these little curls it made from being in a little swirly. So funny. But yeah, so I actually still have some of the colors left over, so I'm thinking I might just use what I have left to do what little bit of yellow, I guess, or white I have here. So I still have some like purple or pink, purple, blue, and green left, but I don't really have yellow, orange, and red left. So I might just put those away and just use the 4 that I have left and just try to use up the color. I'm not sure. I'm gonna take a quick break and then get back to this. So yeah. These look so funny. Okay. Alright, I'm finally done doing my whole, well, not my whole head, but all of the blonde parts on my head. Alright, so it's time to just leave it alone for a little while, which is great because I need to take a break and clean all this up. So yeah, I usually leave it on for like an hour or more. It depends on what I'm doing or how I'm feeling. This isn't damaging, so I can leave it on for however long, really. So yeah, this feels like it's gonna be pretty cool. I'm excited for it. I'm really happy to have like bright, colorful hair again because I've missed that. I've just been letting it fade for a while, and yeah, sorry, I keep staring at myself. I just can't get over the amazing rainbow situation going on here. So anyway, I'm gonna go take a break and I'll be back when I have washed this out to show you the final look. Here it is. Here's how the rainbow turned out. As you can see, it's pretty dang bright and colorful. When I kind of like play around with it and flip it, it kind of reminds me of like an oil slick a little bit. Kind of gives me those vibes. It's pretty cool. Lots of colors. I think maybe next time if I do a rainbow again, I might do either a different fade or a different combination or something. Because this is cute, but the red and the orange are like a very bright and kind of like in your face, I feel like, compared to the other colors, but it's still cute. And here is how the sides turned out here. It's kind of muted because it's, you know, next to this faded out black, or I mean, it's still in the process of fading, but yeah, this isn't as bright as it is up here, but it's cute. Yeah, let me know how you like this color, what you think about it, and if you've seen my last rainbow hair video, let me know which version, I guess, you like more, which rainbow you like more. As you can see, I kind of did my eyebrows rainbow too to match, so that's fun. Yeah. I think next time I re-dye my hair, I might do kind of a rainbow, but basically with less colors. I think I'm gonna take some of these really bright colors out, or I don't know, that's not the right word. Basically just a different color combo. I'm probably not gonna do 7 colors. I feel like from the blue, starting from like the blue to the purple and then the pink, the colors kind of fade more into each other, I feel like, whereas here it's like a more clear separation. I don't know, there's nothing wrong with that, but there's just a bazillion ways that I could have done this. So yeah, maybe I'll do other fades with starting with a different color on top. Yeah, we'll see. But I'm definitely back to doing different fun color combinations. I'm not gonna be doing just one solid color, I think, for a while again, because I do miss this. I do miss experimenting and all that, and now that I have seen what I look like in all the individual colors separately, I kind of have a better idea of what I like on myself. So yeah, and there's definitely still some combos that I haven't tried that I want to, so yeah, get excited for that. So the next thing I'm gonna do is see how this looks under a blacklight. I'm really excited to see how it came out, and also how the purple is, because I did have to mix that one. I didn't have that, so I'm curious if it all actually glows or if it doesn't. We'll see. So yeah, let me grab a blacklight really quick. Okay, so as you can see, it is very bright under UV light, so that's super cool, super exciting. The purple glows too, so that's awesome. That means I can mix a color if I don't have it. So yeah, that's really exciting. Once again, this is the Iroiro brand neon hair colors. So yeah, they all glow pretty bright, so that's so cool. I really want to do more like blacklight themed shoots, so this is awesome because I can do that now and my hair will match and look really cool with it. And I'm really excited to come up with like different characters and outfits and I don't know, scenes or whatever, photo shoots with this neon hair color and various neon UV themes. If you like this video, please leave me a like. And if you aren't subscribed yet, I do other hair dyeing videos, and as I just mentioned, I am planning on doing more fun combos I haven't done before, so if you like that kind of stuff, you should stick around. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye!